welcome back once again to JJ's PC Builds. Don't forget, today is launch day. Launch day for the not the AMD. I was about to say AMD, but that's not AMD. This is Nvidia RTX 4070 Ti. What we're going to do is be going through and having a look. But do remember, at the end of the week, we got graphics card nightmares coming up. So we'll show you the nightmares with the 4090, 4080, 4070, and so on. So make sure y'all stick around for that. Show is coming up soon. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. We're doing a little exploration and looking at the prices. We're here at Newegg looking at the prices. And look. $839, $899. Wow. Just for 4070 Ti, $1499, $949, $1599, $899. We ain't buying a whole PC for $21.99, but they got $889 here. Let's roll down. We got the $799, and $829. So, but if you look at it after shipping, they're making you pay for the shipping too. That's just unbelievable. That's ridiculous. If you're going to pay $800 for a graphics card, why are they going to make you pay the shipping? That's just unbelievable. And then we got $949, and then we got $999. It goes on and on and on with Newegg. So let's flip backwards and look through Amazon. Okay, this is what I got from Amazon. Absolutely no RTX 4070 Ti's. I went through all 4 pages just to show you right there. All 4 pages. We can flip back to the first page, and go through and see if we find one. But, I can tell you right now, I don't see anything from Amazon. It doesn't look like Amazon's participating in this. And I wonder why they're not participating in this. That's going to be a good question for y'all to comment down below and let me know what you think on that. But, Newegg's participating. Let's see. Going through here. Going nice and slow for you. Obviously, it doesn't look like Amazon's biting. So, we're going through all 4 pages so y'all can see the pricing. Look at this. 3080. $1,230. Unbelievable. A 3060, $500. How do they expect people to buy their products when they're like 3 times what they're worth? Especially when they got the new 4000 series out, and it's less cost than the 3070. That's a 3070 at $850. Come on. This right here, 3060 XC. $600, almost $600 right here. A 3090, almost $1,800. If with this, you can go buy the 4080 for less price, and you would get a better deal that way. But look at this, 4090, $2,138.24. Oh my goodness. No wonder why Amazon's crying they're broke. And this is the reason why they're broke, is because they're upcharging these cards 600 times what they're worth. If you buy it used, you get it for $300. Right here, a 2060, $465. And now the used, they're saying price of $469. A 2060 12 gigabyte XC. $465. Why would I pay $469 when they had a $465? Unbelievable. Look at this. 3060 Ti, $659. A 2080 Ti Founders Edition, $2,049. These are the real-time prices, y'all, of today. And I know this video is about the 4070 Ti, but I want to give you all just a glimpse of what's going to be coming up on Graphics Card Nightmares, just to let you know. It's going to be coming up. RX 6900 XT, $1,600. Oh my God. And that's it. That's all that's on the page for this one. Alrighty, going to Microcenter. Looks like Microcenter's got them for $850. Sold out on those two. Let's see, $1,000, $1,000, and they're sold out on these two. And let's see, well, they got all three of these, $1,049. Look, a 4070 Ti right here, $1,049. $849, $950. Well, $850 on that one, but you know, I mean, sold out on this one, the $799. You got $974, $975 right here. You got $900 here. You know, I mean, oh my God, this is the launch day. I mean, they might have one or two that are $800, but still, I mean, you know, it's not the ones you really want to buy. Maybe, you never know. I mean, one's got a triple fan, the other one's overclocked, so this one's $850, you know, and so on and so forth. I mean, they got one here that's a 3070, $670 right here. I mean, oh my God. Now we're down into the 3060s. I mean, sold out, 4 in stock. This one's $550. I mean, come on. This is just plain ridiculous. I mean, y'all, I know y'all were looking for a great launch day, but I'm going to tell you right here and now, it's not a great launch day. It's looking for Nvidia. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick look on what they have going on for launch day right here on JJ's PC Build. So we're going to go ahead and conclude with that. That's my 2 cents in there. So if you like the videos, make sure you subscribe. More subscribers, the better. And I want to welcome all the new subscribers we just got to JJ's PC Builds family. We do welcome you once again. So we're going to go ahead and get up out of here. But until the next time, in the next video, we will see you on the next one.